Hello everyone, my name is Jagadish and I am from Tirupati. I did my engineering BTech in Yogananda Institute of Technology in the stream of Civil Engineering. In the year of 2022, I joined JSpiders in the month of July and got placed within 3 months in a company called L&T with a package of 3.25 LPA. I suggest everyone to join JSpiders because they teach us from the scratch. I am from a non-IT background department and they taught me from basics of the Java, SQL and HTML. I'd like to thank all the staff and HRs. The grooming classes are very important for us to get placed and the presentation class as well. I would like to thank Anupama ma'am, Akshay sir, Rahul sir, Pooja ma'am and every faculty of JSpiders and HR teams. They provide a lot of requirements for us to get placed. If we keep effort, enough.